Yesterday, I got a text message from Brother Muhammad. He said, Brother Mansour, can you come to Maldives? I'm like, of course, but it depends on the dates, right? He said, no, you don't understand. You need to come this evening. I said, sure, but why? He said, tomorrow we have this amazing demonstration to meet the people here and to talk about Gaza and to see how we can continue to work towards a free Palestine and a free Muslim Ummah. And Alhamdulillah, I have come here. And Wallahi, I am shocked. I am positively shocked because I did not expect to see these beautiful faces, this beautiful Ummah, this amazing Islamic culture here in Maldives. This is not what when we hear about Maldives in the Arab world, in the Muslim world, in the Western world, we think about its beautiful beaches, its tourism, its culture. But I didn't know that you had this amazing Islamic culture. I didn't know that you have this love for Palestine and the Muslim Ummah. This is something we need to tell the world about. The world needs to know about Maldives from its people, from you.